This app affairs show you
how to add two or multiple photos in a single Instagram story. Follow these easy steps, and the steps will be similar for Android and iPhone users. Go ahead and launch your Instagram application, and now tap on this plus icon and select story. Now tap on create. To upload your first image, tap on this sticker icon, and here scroll down and you will find gallery icon. Tap on that, and now from your gallery select your first photo that you want to add to your story. Once the photo added, you can pinch your fingers to zoom in or zoom out the photo. And to change the photo shape, just tap on the photo and your photo shape will be changed. Okay, now it's time to add second image. So again tap on the sticker icon, again scroll down, again tap on gallery, select the second photo that you want to add to your story. To change the photo shape, same way, tap on the photo. You can pinch the photo to make it bigger or smaller. That's how you'll be able to add more than two photos. Just tap on the sticker icon, select the photo, and that's it. And if you want to change your story background, tap on this color box and you can share this story now. So this is how we can add two or multiple photos in a single Instagram story. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.